that, little guy. Yeah, see what there.
You wanna play mini games?
Go back up. No, get up here. Go up. Nobody wants you.
Hey! What? Ooh, gorilla tag. Oh yeah. Tag. We got him. Tag. Woo! No one can stop me. I'm Spider-Man.
Rum diddly dum dum, rum diddly dum dum dum.
Rum diddly dum dum, rum diddly.
Oh my god!
Tag the monkey. I tagged the monkey. I tagged the monkey. I got that.
Wait, is that a party hat? Ooh.
You wanna play mini games?
If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But by all means, keep moving.
Ah! No! Stop! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Bro, did you see that? No! Get away from me! No! No!
Husky, guess what? I found out how to be faceless in Gorilla Tag. It's really cool.
Yeah, that's cool, but what is that?
Oh no, mini games, kids. We gotta go.
Follow me. I can't believe we escaped those mini games, kids.
Yeah, I know, right? That was cool.
You wanna play mini games?
This is proof in Gorilla Tag that I have the finger painter badge right there, and I have the moderator stick. I'm a moderator for Gorilla Tag. Wait a wait. Yes, I am!
The backstories of cosmetics. Part, the party hat. It was Lemming's birthday today, so he created a party hat cosmetic. He had spent a long time modeling it, and he was very proud. He was so proud that he invited all of his friends over to celebrate his birthday. So he waited, and waited, and waited, but they never showed up. Lemming was furious, so he created a diabolical creature.
You got juked.
What the heck did you just say to me?
You got juked.
You're gonna regret that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This player said I was a fake YouTuber, so I did this. It kinda looks like this one. Green, you thought I was fake.
Where my arms at? Done.
I'm just gonna poop on my balls.
I mean,
There's no way this dude's being serious right now. I let him in the house just once, and now he has a whole crib set up here. Like, bro, if you're gonna be building all this, I at least need to see some shiny rocks, because this is getting ridiculous.
you spelled his name wrong.
Let's call the game.
Hey, Red! Hey, Red! Wait, do you want to be my best friend? Please, please, please.
No.
Pull out your mango.
Shut up, man.
If I shoot you, you're in the clan.
Please, 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 please.
Sorry, you didn't make the clan.
Hey, what the?
I never knew. Red, guess what?
You come so bad while you was in the Oculus menu.
Yo, can I show you my fit? Can you rate my fit?
I want to see your fit.
Wait, what? Ah! No. No. Please, don't. No, please. Fine, if you will, ban me. Buddy, ban me. Ban me. Ban me. You won't.
When I grow up, I want to go to the moon.
Why wait?
No. You can't have that.
Men 13 in 1. Nice! What does it have? Shampoo? Yeah! Conditioner? Yeah! Body wash? Yeah! Toothpaste? Yeah! Mouthwash? Yeah! Deodorant? Yeah! Peanut butter? What?
This girl got juked so hard her headset broke.
Video of actually doing it.
You guys just gave me fucking depression.
Flames!
What the? No.
Knock, knock!
Who's there? What's the password?
Yeah.
Pipi und in Pipi Kakaland.
Open it, he's cool.
So I've heard you griefing crates. Mini games, kid. But you were tagging everyone on a crate! Tagging, boys.
Asking my sister what these cosmetics are, part 4.
Hey, wait, that's my line! Alright, what is this?
Leprechaun hat.
Okay, this is a random one. What is it?
Early access sign?
Stop! Okie dokie, what is this? Oh gee, what is this?
A pilot's hat.
A pilot's hat!
It looks like a pilot's hat.